gonna make a vanilla pound cake today. First of all, you want to put shortening in your pan, and shortening and flour in your pan. You need one cup of buttermilk, 3 cups of flour, all-purpose flour, 2.5 cups of sugar, 2 sticks of butter, softened butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla flavoring, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. So that's your ingredients. Oh yeah, 4 eggs too. 4 eggs. So first of all, we're gonna soften the butter and the sugar in the bowl for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add the eggs one at a time while mixing. Then I'm going to add the vanilla flavoring. So now we are going to add all of the dry ingredients together. So now we are going to add the dry ingredients and alternating through the buttermilk to the first mixture as we mix. So now we got to put the first mixture into the pan and preheat the oven for 325 and cook it for 1 hour and 25 minutes. Hopefully it didn't go bad like last time. Help me forget with this. And that's how you make a pound cake. So, dropped it. Oh no, you touched it again. Eggs one at a time while mixing. And then I'm going to